What up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be installing this DH6 Optima Yellow top battery on the Silverado, which we picked up at King of the Hammers this year. Well, actually last night. And we got this Max white strap we're gonna use to mount the spare tire back here. We're gonna start off by removing this battery. We're gonna remove these two bolts right here, this one right here, move this out of the way, and then try to get this battery out without it. So this is a size comparison. It's about an inch smaller than the original battery. So it seems like it's gonna fit as it is. I'll put the ground after. I'm gonna get this 60mm socket and just put it over it, hit it, tap it down a little bit, just so it can seat down all the way. And now it's just to put everything back together and make sure you get this piece pushing down on the battery so it won't move out of place. There you go. Pretty much it. That's all there is to it to install that Optima battery. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the little notification bell, and we'll catch you in the next one.